Welcome to the Sedona Barstool assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the bar frames, veneer backrest and either an upholstered or veneer seat depending on your order. To ensure your bar stool is assembled securely, you will need a rubber mallet, an impact drill, thread lock, PVA wood glue, 2 dowels, 4 back plugs, 4 80mm screws and 4 25mm screws. Firstly, apply thread lock to the outside holes on the underside of the seat. Flip the frame and place it on top of the seat. Line up the holes and thread the 80mm screws into the frame. Use the drill to gradually tighten the screws. Make sure the first round is loose enough so that you can line up the other holes before fully tightening. Grab the back, place dowels in the middle holes and apply thread lock to the outer holes. Ensure the backrest is facing the right way when attaching to the frame. Press the dowels into the matching holes on the frame and gradually tighten the screws the same way you did with the seat. Now apply the PVC glue to the backrest holes with the screws in them. Lastly, use the rubber mallet to gently tap the wood plugs into the backrest holes. The Sedona is a contemporary designed frame made from high quality American ash and finished with a natural stain. The seat is available unupholstered or in a highly durable commercial grade black vinyl, perfect for the hospitality environments.